This is our first look at the Xiaomi 15T Pro. Good day, you beautiful people. In today's video, we're checking out the new Xiaomi 15T Pro. In this video, we're not just gonna be unboxing this phone, we're taking a look at what's new. We're even gonna do a camera tour and I'll show you some sample shots. But first, let's unbox. So what do we get with the new Xiaomi 15T Pro? First of all, you're getting all Leica cameras on the back. This thing is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chip, and it reps a 5500 mAh battery, which powers what Xiaomi claims to be the largest screen on a Xiaomi device. Of course, this phone also reps Xiaomi's Hyper AI features. Let me know if that's something you'd want me to check out further. In the meantime, let's take a closer look at this phone. So just a quick hands-on. So this is a nice mocha color. I feel like it matches Bruce over here really nicely. Even the sides match the color of the phone. Again, you get your Leica cameras on the back, and the camera bump isn't that bad actually. You also have a flat screen on this phone, flat sides as you can see. On the right side, you get your volume rocker and lock button. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C, SIM tray, and then that's a clean other side and top. And I'd say this is a pretty huge phone. Not gonna lie, it's not a compact phone at all. Right, for the camera tour, we're at photos and you have wide 1x, 2x, 5x up until, oh, wait. There's more. Wait, we're still going. You can do 100x. And you can see the Leica branding on the back of the camera. Let's see. There you go. Back to wide. And then here you have exposure. On this side, you have a beautify filter. Well, it's a toggle. Then you have different filters. You have Leica Vivid, Natural, Black and White, and many others. Up top, you have your flash settings, you have your motion capture, Google Lens, what's this? Dynamic shot, and then you get like authentic or like a vibrant. I usually go for vibrant. I find that like authentic is also nice, but it's a little more moody. I will tell you they're both a vibe. And then on the right side, ooh, look at that. You can see how the background is blurred automatically. So this is portrait mode, this is 5x. And yes, you can of course switch around the aperture so you can adjust that blur, and then you have different types of bokeh, and then you can do 1x, 2x, 5x, well up until 5x. That's this, your different filters, and then up here you have like a portrait, master portrait. Interesting, different portrait styles. And then you have documents, always useful. On the other side, you have photos, and you can do 4K, 8K 30, 4K 30, 60, and 120 FPS. That's crazy. And then 1080p. So on 4K, you can do wide, 1x, 2x, 5x up until, wait, let's do it here, 15x. back to wide. And then here you have your exposure, you have your different filters, your bokeh, and your beautify. So there is a live bokeh on video as well. As you can see, the background just blurred. That's pretty cool. It does switch to 1080p and it exits out when you go to 4K. And then you have Pro mode, of course, which does 50 megapixel, 12.5 megapixel. You can do JPEG or RAW. And you can also do video on Pro mode. That's pretty cool. Now back to selfies. Hey, so we have 1080p 30 fps, 4K up front, 4K 30. We can do 1080p 30 or 60 fps. Can we zoom in or out? We cannot. And then on the other side, you have photo. You can do wide or 1x. No zooming in. Here, oh, more detailed beauty modes, and then you get different filters as well. On portrait, of course, you can see my blurry background. You can adjust that. And then you have your different filters again. And then you have documents. Now, if you pull down here, you also get even more settings. So HDR settings, aspect ratio, timer, watermark, and even more settings, selfie settings. You have mirror, adjust makeup effects for men, remove most. We're not wanting to do that, but there is an option. There are also AI recommendations on here, so extended depth of field, ultra zoom, QR codes, orientation. Same, I think, is on video. So you have your different settings, and under general, wow. So you have settings on camera mode, so you can pull that up. Let's see. Oh, there we are. I was wondering where that whole menu is. I knew there was more to the Xiaomi camera menu, so okay, we found out. You pull that up, and then you have Ultra HD, 1x to 5x. You have fast shot, which I feel like is more of a street style camera mode. You have slow motion, time lapse, long exposure, panorama, super moon, and you can edit this menu as well. Now, let's get to some sample shots. And that was our look at the new Xiaomi 15T Pro. Obviously, I'm really excited to shoot with these cameras. That Xiaomi Leica partnership is still going strong, and I've personally loved shooting on Xiaomi devices. So maybe a camera vlog test is happening soon. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see me try out with this phone. If you want that camera vlog test or social media test, comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.